Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Finding the right Riemann sum for this integral is actually super fast. We will break down the interval and find our sum in seconds. First, we look at our interval from 2 to 6. The total width is 4, and since we have 8 subintervals, each width delta x must be exactly 1/2. Next, we find the right endpoints for our sum. Starting from 2, we add k times our width of 1/2. This gives us the expression 2 plus k over 2. Finally, plug these into the function and multiply by the width. This matches option D. You solved a tough calculus problem like a pro. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to pick signs. Trust the given steps for success.